today's video guys ay maglalaro tayo ng Electric Dash. Kaya yeah, look at this. It's so cool. Top wins. But wala pa ako dyan. Your total bolts. What is that? Ito naman, your time. Your best time. Okay, wala akong best time. Kaya yeah, don't forget to like and subscribe and hit the notification bell para may may bagong video. Kaya let's go guys. Let's go. Ito yung first round, stage 8. Difficult, easy. Pero look at that. Sobrang hirap na. Look at that, damn. That, okay, I'm dead. Okay guys, let's go. Kaya pala, ang bagal ko, day mabagal yung ano, day. Yeah. Wee! Okay guys, kung gusto nyo itong laruin na, ito yung tawag Electric Dash. Sobrang ganda nito, look at that. See? Kanina ko pa ito linalaro, tinetraining ko. Okay, ngayon, gets ko na. Look at that. Sheesh, 14 pa lang. Yeah, 14 pa lang at nagawa ko na. Okay, makikita ko ng balls. Makita ko ng mga balls. May malalaking balls. At is gonna be hurt. Wishing. Whoa. Oh. Oh no. Yung mga ball. May mga ball. Uy. 18 agad. Sobrang mukhang mahirap. Pero sa totoo talaga sobrang dali. Look at that. Look at that. Ito. ED. Okay. Ba't ako dun pala papunta? Ba't ako papunta? Okay. Never mind. Ito ako pupunta pababa. Taas tayo dito. Tapos dash agad and I'm dead. Okay pala, hindi pala ganun yung plano. Ganito pala plano natin guys. Ano tayo dito at pupunta dito. That you call smarty. 9 second pa lang nagawa ko na, kaya let's go now. Okay, but nag-iba na yung sky. Naging orange and red. Okay, I'm dead. Naging orange. Oh, kita ko na yung katawan ko. No way. Laki naman ng katawan ko, bossing. Oh guys, look at that. It's too easy and I'm dead. Okay, never mind. I only see my I only see my hand, not my big body anymore. Okay, I'm dead. Okay guys, so easy. Kaya maglaro na kayo nito at subscribe na kayo sa akin. Kaya malapit na tayo mag-hit ng 200. Look at, see? 200. Oh my god, thank you so much guys sa pag-suporta sa akin. Thank you very much. Tapos sa mga video ko. Thank you guys. Kaya pag magse-celebrate ako dun. Kaya maghintay na lang ko kayo kung ano next video ko pag nag-hit na ako ng 200 subscriber. Let's go. Okay, I'm dead. Never mind. Di ako mamamatay kasi pro ako. Kasi nandito yung bacon team sa akin. Okay? Okay, never mind. Parang nandito pa rin kayo. Kaya, yeah. 5, Okay. Nakalimutan ko na tuloy sasabihin ko. Pushing. Pushing. Bro. Pushing. Bro, pushing. Ay, hindi para to ispadahan. Nice. Pushing. Nice one, guys. Ito naman. Stage 13, medium. Okay. Hindi na to mukhang medium. Mukhang hard na to, eh. Okay, pero tali pa natin ibit kasi pro tayo. Never mind. Okay, kaya ko to. Sobrang easy lang nito, eh. Baka linalaro ko to ng baby pa ako. Wow. Pero itong stage dito nalaro ng baby ako. Kasi, okay. Nag-update sila, tapos di ko naman alam. Okay, wala pa rin checkpoint. Tingin ko wala na mga checkpoint dito. Okay, paano ko na-hit yun? Hindi ko alam. Pero, we survive. Never mind, we survive for a couple of seconds. Wow. I jumped very so far. Pushing. Wow, that's called timing. That's called good timing. Look at that, I almost died to the red dot. I mean, red line. No way, ba't ako natama dun sa wall? Natama ako dun sa wall, guys. Kaya sobrang hirap na. Wishing. Ngayon naman, lumipad ako. Alam niyo kung may sound sa background. Umuulan kasi may bagyo sa amin. Kaya ano to? Please save sa mga tao dyan na malakas din yung bagyo. Kasi di natin alam kung anong mangyari. Baka bigla na lang, ayoko sabihin yun eh. Baka bigla magkatotoo. Sana wag naman. Kung inisip ko, bad talaga. Kasi good ata ko, kaya ko naiisip yun. At lagi na lang ako namamatay dito sa medium na to. Focus mode. Focus mode. Okay, focus mode. Ang focus mode. Whooshing. Wapeng. 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 Okay, never mind. Ba't natama? Natama yung evil sa akin, guys. Natama yung nice one. Natama yung evil spirit sa akin, guys. Nice. Whooshing. Okay, I'm dead. Wow! Clutch! That you call clutch, guys. That you call clutch. Let me just go up here. Yes, nice. No! Okay, hindi ko alam kung ko ginawa yung sound na yun. Basta, yeah. Nice. Whooshing. Wow, I didn't touch the red. Okay, guys. Higit ilang minute na tayo dito. Tapos, hindi ko pa rin nalalagpasin yung parang pasan yung warad. Kung nasan yung warad na mga blocks eh. Tapos dito yung pika na mahirap kasi di ako makataas. Okay, chillax lang. Chillax lang, Bacon Team. Kasi you can do that. Yeah, you can do that. Okay, climb here. You can do that. And I'm dead. Yay. Okay, I'm dead. You know what? I'm climbing up here. Yeah. Never mind, I'm dead. Never mind. I'm still alive. Yes. Please. Okay, never mind. Whooshing. Wee. Oh, wow. That's so nice. Wow. Medium ba talaga to? Hay, pag nalagpasan ko lang to. Pag nalagpasan to guys, don't you dare hit the don't you not dare hit the subscribe button kasi it's so hard and I'm still dead. Well, I'm gonna breathe and exhale, but I get why I'm stubborn, man, not gonna lie. I don't know what stubborn mean. I think is stubborn mean is getting hot. What? I mean, okay. I mean it your sunburn. Yeah. Stubborn and sunburn. That's like the same but different word. And I'm dead. What the hell? Guys, mag-suggest pala kayo ng bago kong video. Kung gusto nyong mapanood pa ako dahil okay, let's go. Natin na lang. I'm just went to AFK kasi kahit di silent yung AFK. Yeah. Just don't para I'm still dead. Bro, it's been so many minutes. It's been 2 minutes. Finally, okay, never mind. Oh my gosh. Okay guys, napipi ko na dito sa laro na to. Akala ko fun, hindi na pala. Namatay na naman. Okay guys, i-skip ko lang to. Dahil kanina pa ako dito. Okay guys, after 1 hour of doing that, I finally beat it. Oh my god, finally. Okay, dito naman tayo sa medium ulit. Pero, mukhang hard na naman. Kaya pag natapos ko na to, tatapusin ko na yung video dahil napapagod na ako dahil sobrang hirap na naman nito. Okay, never mind. Puti na mo that. Nice. No way. Pushing. Nice. No way, dude. No way. Ba't may ganun sa huli? Oh my god. Whoa. Okay, I'm getting onto this game. Okay. What is that, man? Come on, dude. Come on. Let me just have fun with this game. Woo. Okay, guys. Okay, guys, di na ito magagawa. Dahil sobrang hirap natin na paper na ako. Kaya, guys, sorry kung nakakadahil. Ganun talaga yung buhay na paper din. Kaya, yeah. Kung nagustuhan nyo itong video ay don't forget to like and subscribe and hit the notification bell para alam nyo kung may bago akong video. Kaya guys, bye bye, Beko team, bye bye.